Thank you everyone. Thank you my friends from media. Thank you for waiting very patiently. And today is a very special moment, and that is that after 77 years of journey. Okay. So do I again repeat what I said? Yes. So after 77 years of journey from East India, being from Calcutta, it is a moment of great pride for us that we are right now opening our first showroom in Mumbai. And it is our honor and our pleasure to have two celebrities, ex-Miss Universe and our what do I say? There's no word to yes, Miss Shushmita Sen, and our brand ambassador, veteran actor, and the face of Bengali film industry, Mr. Proshenjit Chatterjee, who's our brand ambassador. So thank you everyone, and now I would like to ask my father, Mr. Shankar Sen.
We had a desire that once we are in Mumbai.
I think there's nothing much to say, but Kolkata Senco Gold. Yeah, I should say a few words about them. I mean, every Bengali anywhere in this world knows about this brand. It's not that today I'm doing a branding for a specially jewelry thing which has been launched 77 years back. But what I really liked about them is that they went on changing themselves. Yeah, the way I had been working for last 25 years, 28 years. But I think for anyone, you need to, go with the time, to reinvent yourself. So, of course, they are like my family. I know them for a long time, but when they really wanted me to come as a brand, which I really felt good about them, that they really reinvented themselves. They came out with absolutely new kind of a jewelry, which was not done 77 years back. And I'm really happy to see that in Bombay. Today we all are standing here. And I'm very sure that the people who love to buy these ornaments and all, especially gold, they have a place to come and get the best thing. I'm very sure about it because they are really good. It's not that because I'm a brand I'm saying that. They are really good. So thanks to everyone. And of course we are getting our Bengali girl here with us, Shushmita, and thanks to her also to be part of this entire journey. And all my best wishes to the entire team of Senco Gold. Thank you so much.
How lovely. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Good afternoon, everyone. आप लोगों से मिले थोड़ा वक्त हो गया है, but it's lovely to see all of you here. मुझे बड़ी खुशी होती है जब भी Sen and anything to do with Sen grows in the world and brings laurel to the part of India that I belong to. And मैं वो प्रवासी बंगाली हूँ जो हमेशा बंगाली होने के बावजूद कभी बंगाल में नहीं रही. But हमारी जो कल्चर है, हमारे जो लोग हैं, जो मिस्टर सेन ने अभी बहुत प्यारे तरीके से कहा कि the greatest artisans of gold jewelry ornaments truly do come from West Bengal. And आप जैसे जानते हैं मेरे खुद के ख़ानदान भी jewelry में हैं, so I know for a very, very long time that they have the finest people. Senco Gold actually started in 1938. और कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है कि जब you cover a journey of decades like that and come to this moment जहाँ पर वो अपनी पहली retail store मुंबई में खोल रहे हैं 2018 तक इंशाल्लाह they are planning on having 100 of them. It's truly something worth complimenting and believing in. किसी भी brand को customer के साथ रिश्ता बनाने में वक्त लगता है. And there are those who take years to doing it, and then there are those who take years to build it. They've done that. I am truly privileged, sir, Mr. Sen and Mr. Sen, that you thought of me to come here and inaugurate this beautiful, wonderful initiative in Mumbai. Welcome to my city. And to Mr. Chatterjee, who's alone in between all the Sens, I'm a huge admirer, sir. And I think it's a privilege for Senco to have a fantastic brand ambassador like you, because you represent every single quality that, including reinvention, that they stand for. And I love you guys. Thank you very much. Itte barish mein आप लोग सब आए. Do keep supporting the brand. Thank you very much for all your love and support. Mwah.
Thank you.
Thank you. ये मैं दे दूँ किसी को? मैं रख लूँ.
Questions?
अब हम बैठ सकते हैं? क्या बात कर रही है? और हम ऐसे करते हैं. वोट किया जाए. हम बैठ जाए हाथ. नहीं. अच्छा. किसी ने भी नहीं. देखिए. हाँ. No. See, Sen is sensibility. Sen is sensational. Sen is company, is the company of Sen people. And I think sensitive is another one. When you think of jewelry or any brand which connects with women and men who pay for it, that kind of stuff, then you think कि there has to be a very gold या तो आपको सिर्फ एक investment या एक piece of jewelry के हिसाब से या फिर जिस तरह से हम traditionally मानते आए हैं, that it's like आपके माता पिता ने आपको दिया, आपकी शादी की यादें, आपके वो बहुत ही memorable moments जो आप उनके साथ एक sensitive सा रिश्ता कायम करते हैं. I think Sen stands for all of those things, and when it becomes Senco, तो मतलब there's more than one Sen, and I think that's fantastic. सवाल? मैं माइक पकड़ के खड़ी हूँ.
हाय
सुष्मिता जी, आप खुद की क्यों नहीं ज्वेलरी लाइन लाती? क्योंकि मुझे लगता है बहुत सारे इनपुट डाल पाओगे कि कैसे होना चाहिए, क्या क्यों नहीं आप सोचते?
नहीं. देखिए मेरा तो खानदान भी वैसे ज्वेलरी में से है, आपको पता ही है. अभी बहुत कम टाइम में बहुत कुछ कर रही हूँ मैं वैसे भी अभी. So I think it will take time, but yes, I'd love to do it. They never say never for anything. Jewelry is a very special connect with me, and when it comes to gold and diamonds, yeah, one day, inshallah, soon.
What are the 3 things you look into whenever you become a part of any brand?
When I become a part of any brand, as in a brand endorser, most importantly, I think I look at their customer relationship, the trust that they've built over the years with, so the brand equity in terms of people. I look at their PR and marketing budgets. And then I, of course, look at what their budgets are for me.
सुष्मिता जी
In the media that you are coming along with Aishwarya Rai, if you can throw some more light on it.
Well, you want, we'll come right now, no problem. But the thing is, this unfortunately is something that Gaurang Doshi will be better in a position to kind of answer. But yes, there is a script that both of us are considering together. But right now, I'm off in, आज तारीख क्या हो गई? टाइम लगा ना सबको? हाँ, 13 तारीख. So, मैं 4 दिन में कोलकाता जा रही हूँ अपनी पहली बंगाली फिल्म शूट करने. Nirbak, yes, and I'm very excited about that क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे भाई दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, that'll never change, but it's like a homecoming, you know, it's like going back to my roots and getting over that fear of मैं तमिल, तेलुगु, मलयालम कुछ भी फिल्म कर सकती हूँ, बंगाली फिल्म में डर लगता है कि ये लोग कहेंगे ये तो हमारी लड़की है, इससे एकदम बढ़िया काम होना चाहिए. So I've gotten over that and I'm going to go work with some amazing actors and I'm looking forward to it.
सुष्मिता जी आपसे पूछना था, मतलब एज ए स्त्रीधन और एज एन एक्ट्रेस आप डायमंड और गोल्ड में कितना, किस तरह की क्या सोच रख के इन्वेस्ट करती होंगी?
देखिए जब गोल्ड खरीदती हूँ, आप नाराज मत होइएगा, बट मैं जब गोल्ड खरीदती हूँ तो मुझे पता होता है कि अगर आपकी इक्विटी या डेट मार्केट गिरेगी तो गोल्ड की प्राइस ऊपर जाएगी. So you always have an investment. An investment that you can mold into a piece of jewelry. Diamond to me is wearing a flat on my finger and knowing that, yeah, whatever happens, I have it with me as an investment. Gold to me is my Ma's Ashirwad. You know, it's like a blessing. Diamond to me is like hope. When I look at it, it sparkles and I say, आज कैसा भी दिन है, कल अच्छा होगा. So I think both of them represent different things for me.
We take the last 2 questions.
सुष्मिता, जैसे आपने कहा कि आपके परिवार
Hi.
जैसा कि आपने कहा कि आपके परिवार वाले भी गोल्ड और डायमंड के इसमें हैं, व्यापार में हैं, तो सोना चाहे सर का ताज बने, हाथ की कंगन या पैर का पांजन, कीमत कहीं नहीं घटती. लेकिन वो एहसास आपको कैसा लगता है कि जब आपने एक बार मिस यूनिवर्स का खिताब जीता था, सर पे ताज था, आप आज शोरूम का इनॉग्रेशन करती हैं, तो वो उसमें आपको फर्क कैसे नजर आता है?
मुझे एक्चुअली आपका सवाल समझ में नहीं आया,
नहीं, मतलब
but I will try.
एहसास क्या लगता है?
एहसास नहीं, देखिए, आई थिंक ताज वो ताज होता है, चाहे सोने का हो या हीरे का हो, जो हमेशा सर पे रहे, चाहे दिखाई दे या ना दे. I think the crowns are the ones that you wear for life, and so you do things in your life जो ताज आपके सर पे हमेशा कायम रहे. So I feel very, very happy that Senco Gold and all the wonderful dignitaries standing here thought of me to come and be a part of this and to inaugurate their very first venture in Mumbai. But the truth is, जितनी मोहब्बत और इज्जत मुझे लोगों से मिलती है, वो सही मायनों में मेरा सबसे बड़ा ताज है. Thank you.
Last question, yeah. So,
Second last, okay, coming on.
what I want to know is, so many celebrities endorse so many different brands,
Right.
which uplift the society in so many ways.
Right.
But this time, the budget hasn't really spoken about the entertainment industry at all. How do you feel?
I think the budget overall hasn't been a drastically different one. The only thing that I do find interesting in it is health and sanitation and also education. These are the two sectors. There has been a relatively progressive measure taken. Cigarettes, quit it quickly. Otherwise you'll have to buy it on EMI, you know. So, but I think overall, budget में बहुत बड़ा फर्क मुझे नजर नहीं आया. As far as the entertainment industry goes, we were always going to be the higher tax bracket. But good thing is that income to be taxed has been increased. So for a low middle class, that's a wonderful move. Baki, we keep hoping every year something good will come up.
One more question, last question.
Last, okay, second last, okay.
इसमें इतनी पॉजिटिविटी आप कहाँ से लाती हैं? और जब आप डिप्रेस या किसी चीज से निराश होती हैं, तो उस वक्त क्या करती हैं?
सोना खरीदती हूँ सेंको गोल्ड पे. नहीं जान,
नहीं कर पाएगा, उसके लिए क्या टिप्स है?
जो अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता खरीदने के लिए, वो एस्पायर करे, क्योंकि इंसान में या तो आप ले सकते हो.
इंडिया में सब कोई सोना खरीदता है, एक किसान भी सोना खरीदता है. That is India.
नहीं, I think सोना हीरा इंसान के अंदर होता है. And that's a very lovely question actually you asked. मैं बहुत blessed हूँ. मेरी लाइफ में मुझे हमेशा सिर्फ blessings दिखती हैं. So when I look around me, I think, हाय भगवान, इनको इतनी प्रॉब्लम है, उनको इतनी प्रॉब्लम है, मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. You know, I think when you look at life relatively, you stay happy. And that's how I stay positive.
Mr. Prasann,
Okay, जाने मन ask.
Second last question.
अच्छा, let him ask.
Indian Railway is always something out of the box, and I believe you want to answer this. Indian Railways always plays a very important role in Indian cinema. You know, whether it's Burning Train, Sholay, or if it's the current one, Chennai Express. What do you have to say about the role of Indian Railway as a property in Indian cinema? This is
PhD.
Chuk. Next question, please.
प्रसन्न
Question, come on, last question, quickly.
प्रसन्न जी तो सुष्मिता से जानना चाहेंगे कि दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ में कभी हिंदी या बंगाली सिनेमा में काम करेंगे, अगर नहीं तो आप दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ में. और दूसरा
लाइव बन जाएगी.
मैं वही पूछ रही हूँ.
I actually आपको पता होगा शायद, जब मैं बात कर रही थी तो रूपाली गुहा जो ज्योति आमन हो तो जो स्क्रिप्ट के बारे में बात कर रही थी, तो उन्होंने मुझसे कहा था कि वो उनसे बातें कर रही हैं, फिलहाल डिस्कस कर रही हैं, रीडिंग द स्क्रिप्ट एंड ऑल दैट. I was over the moon. I'm a huge admirer, and I think it's a matter of timing. It hasn't happened yet. और मैं खुद डर के इतना बंगाली फिल्म नहीं करनी है. तो now I hopefully will. Yes, I look
आप क्या
forward.
कहेंगे?
We are looking forward. The script is ready. Let's see. The script is ready. Let's hope for the best. Shushmita was really afraid for doing a Bangla cinema. That all I know from last 15 years. I mean, there are a lot of offers came to her, including our Rituparna Ghosh. I know because when we did Chokar Bali after, she had a little fear about doing Bangla Chobi. So once she has started right now, we are not going to leave her now.
I look forward, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Just for
कौन से लेकर जाना चाहेंगे आप? तीनों में से कौन सा लेकर जाना?
देखिए, ऐसे कहेंगे तो हम ऐसे लेके चले जाएंगे. Never ask a woman to choose. That's beautiful. Thank you.
आप लोग को रिक्वेस्ट है जो शोरूम में फर्स्ट फ्लोर में हम लोग लोग अभी जाके इनॉग्रेशन करेंगे और फर्स्ट फ्लोर में जाके एक जस्ट शोरूम का व्यू आप लोग के लिए
Hindi. That was very well done.
थैंक यू
Thank you guys. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Ramadan Kareem.
मैं काटते
अरे बैठना भाई बैठना बैठना नीचे यार बैठना नीचे On your right. For your card.
Oh, really?
नहीं यहाँ से शूट
Both have what chemistry?